I'm Chef Kelly here with my colleague Jim today. We're going to be making garden fresh salsa. I'm going to be using the HBF 600 Tournant, and Jim is going to be using another 3 horsepower competitive unit. So Jim, let's go ahead and get started.
Okie dokie.
Whole garlic, half jalapenos.
Oh, fight me there.
Stewed tomatoes.
Green peppers. Purple onion. Roma tomatoes for body.
Just quarter. Then you're going to take some fresh cilantro and basil.
Greens.
Put that right there on top.
9 out of 10 rabbits cannot be wrong.
And this is the juice of 2 limes. I'm going to be using the chop function, this button right here, and the variable speed knob, and I'm going to increase the speed as the recipe starts to blend, and then turn it off as soon as the cilantro goes down in the middle of the jar.
And I'm going to be using a stick and the variable speed of the unit and trying to get all the product to do the same thing.
Alright, you ready to get started, Jim?
I'm ready. I'm losing.
I'm done, Jim. Alright, let's see how we did.
Where do I put the stick? There we go.
So what you're going to notice is the consistency is exactly the same from the top of the jar to the bottom of the jar.
I think I came out a little soupier and a lot less consistent in the blend.
Now that's more good thinking from Hamilton Beach.